Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make this super awesome honey garlic chicken lo mein recipe. This one right here is another 10 out of 10 would recommend type of recipe. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new to my channel, please take a second to subscribe. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs it up and let's get started. All right, guys, here are the ingredients. It might look like it's a lot of ingredients because it is. But to get started, we have some flour, we have some flat cabbage, and we also have the chicken that I julienne cut myself. This is a chicken breast. Of course, you can use chicken thighs if you want. Here I have about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic chopped or minced. And also we have some carrots. This is 1 carrot, by the way. And we have some scallion, green onion, spring, whatever you want to call it. We have that. And also we have some rice wine vinegar. You can use regular white distilled vinegar if you have that. And we have the honey. And here we have some dark soy sauce. And to season the chicken, we have salt and white pepper, okay, not black. And here we have some cornstarch, and for some kick we have some dry pepper flakes. And here we have some olive oil. You can use some avocado oil, sesame seed oil, whatever floats your boat. And we also have some oyster sauce as well as some chicken broth. And this is how I cut the chicken. It was very easy, just to show you guys a clip on how to thinly slice the chicken. Okay, now this is the noodles that I'll be using. All right, guys, let's begin. First thing I'll be doing is just drizzle a little bit of oil on the chicken, okay? Once you're done, you're going to season with salt and pepper. Now, just stay with me. I know, salt and pepper, yes, just a little bit of salt and pepper. Once you are done, you are going to add your cornstarch as well as some flour. Of course, the measurement will be down below for you guys, so check that out. So I'm adding the cornstarch and the flour and give that a mix. Now to a skillet, I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once that is nice and hot, we're going to cook our chicken. Now you're going to cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes because they're thinly sliced. It shouldn't take long for them to be cooked. Now I am going to try to achieve a little bit of color on the chicken as best as I can, okay? All right, once your chicken is nice and cooked, you're going to remove it, set it aside in a separate plate. Moving on to the same skillet, I am going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we're going to cook our garlic. Now, this is a honey garlic. Make sure to use lots of garlic, and don't overcook the garlic if you like that garlicky flavor like I do. So we're going to cook the garlic for about 10 seconds. Now I am going to add in my cabbage, so pour that in. And as well as the carrots. You want to saute them. If you like your veggies to be more on the crisp side, so don't overcook them. I like them to be a little soggy, so I am going to cook them a little bit longer. Then we're going to add our dry pepper flakes that will make it a little bit spicy, but not too spicy. Okay, you can leave it out completely if you like. This is just for a little bit of kick. Now I am going to pour in my honey, as well as the what is next we're adding, as well as the oyster sauce. And also I'll be adding in my soy sauce, dark soy sauce, to give it that rich dark color. And also the rice wine vinegar. We're going to add the chicken broth in there as well, just to make it a bit saucy. That way the noodles can, you know, soak in all that sauce. Now I'm going to add in my chicken, then stir it up all together. All that sauciness will be nice and combined and coated on the chicken. So while that is simmering, let me quickly boil my noodles. These noodles, you guys, they cook extremely fast. I will try to leave the brand that I use down below. I think it's flour noodles, so I will leave it below for you guys. Okay, they cook extremely fast, so literally put it in there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Take it out. All right, my noodles are nice and ready and good to go. Okay, don't overcook them. So we're going to drain it and pour some cold water to it. And as my sauce getting a little bit thicker, I am going to drop these noodles in. Okay, and then you're going to toss it to make sure the noodles is soaking all of that sauce. Okay. And as well as my green onions, I am going to pour these in just about now. And basically, you guys, this is how easy it is to make this recipe. And let me tell you, talking about restaurant quality, this is restaurant quality at its finest. Try this out for your fam. I'm sure they will enjoy this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Look at that, you guys. It was so good. It was so delicious. Okay, you have to try this for yourself to know what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, as well as give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.